talking about puzzles, I have one puzzle with two solutions. Now, I'm sure you've done jigsaw puzzles before. Maybe you've done one with 100 pieces. Well, this jigsaw puzzle has only 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, but it can keep you occupied for hours. Let me show you what you have to do. You have to see if you can put those 4 pieces together to form a perfect square. Now, the problem is you have pieces such as this which have right angles there and right angles here, and also internal right angles there. And it's a little difficult knowing where that's going to fit in relation to the whole square. It would take you many minutes, I would think, to get started. So I'll give you a clue. That piece there forms the base of the square, and that line is the length of any side of the square. Now perhaps you can see that this piece fits in here, and that piece there, and this piece around here, and you have your perfect square. That's one solution to the jigsaw puzzle. Now, I said there were 2 solutions. The other question is, how can you make these 4 pieces turn into a cross, a perfectly regular cross? Well, let's take the pieces apart. Now, once again, it may take you minutes to get started. Let me tell you, that's one of the arms of the cross. Can you see it now? Aha, you might say. Perhaps this other large piece comes around here, and it does. There's the top arm, there's the bottom arm. Then it's simply a matter of fitting in the remaining 2 small pieces, and you have your regular cross. So there's the second solution to the jigsaw puzzle. Now, I said that I'd show you how to make it. How do we do that? I'm glad you asked. You start with a square of any dimensions, piece of paper or cardboard, and in fact it needs to be ruled up in such a way, use a very light pencil so you can rub the lines out afterwards, ruled up in such a way that you have 9 small squares. I've made this one 15 by 15 centimetres, so each small one is 5 by 5. Then, with a pair of scissors, cut out the corners so that you end up with a cross, and then you have to make 2 lines, once again with a pencil or pen, from that point there down to the opposite corner, and then a line going across there. I've already done it on this side, as you can see. And now with the scissors, all you need to do is to make 2 slices, one from halfway across this arm, going down, just shaving that corner and continuing across, and you've created the 2 small pieces. And then the second cut goes from this point here all the way down to that opposite corner, and you've made the 2 large pieces. And then present those to your friends and see if they can come up with the 2 solutions to the jigsaw puzzle. It'll take them hours, well, 10 minutes at least.
I want to know. Curiosity.